The word we'll be learning in this video is taisei, which you will often hear in news, politics, and organizational contexts. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "The new government introduced reforms to the political system." "The company is changing its management system to improve efficiency." And protests challenged the authoritarian regime in Japanese. Let's get started. Taisei. Taisei. The word taisei means the organized system or structure of an organization, government, or institution, referring to how it's arranged, maintained, or reformed. The first kanji means body or physical form. It often indicates something related to the body or physical condition. In words like taion, it carries the idea of body temperature. In taiku, it points to physical education or exercise. And as the simple word kanada, it is the everyday word for the body. The second kanji means control, regulation, or a system. It often appears when rules, limits, or structures are involved. In seido, it gives the sense of an established system or institutional rules. In seifuku, it contributes the meaning of standardized clothing, showing regulation in dress. In kisei, it clearly means restriction or regulation applied to actions or items. The company will set up a new system. 会社は新しい体制を整えます。会社は新しい体制を整えます。Maintain the company's structure. 会社の体制を維持する。会社の体制を維持する。The company will reform the system. 会社は体制を改革します。会社は体制を改革します。The old system collapses. 古い体制が崩れる。古い体制が崩れる。The most common synonyms of the taisei are seido and shikumi. Seido emphasizes formal rules, laws, or institutional frameworks, while shikumi focuses on how parts function together or the mechanism. Taisei highlights the overall organized structure or regime. The most common antonyms of the taisei are kondang and michitsujo. Kondang means chaos or confusion and implies a breakdown of order, while michitsujo means lack of order or organization. Both contrast with taisei, which implies an established, functioning order.